Hello, I've come on today to share 3 ATCs which I made for a swap on Facebook, and the theme was stenciling. On this first one I've used obviously a cogs stencil, I think it was a Studio Light stencil, and I've used some Zinc gold paste, sort of a pearlescent paste. And this image is from Fairy Ink. In fact, they're all from Fairy Ink, although it's called the Whimsical Art Witch now. That's it, yeah, the Whimsical Art Witch. Yeah, so I will try and leave a link. I don't know if she's got a shop. I'm part of her Patreon, so but I'll check it out and leave that in the description. This is one of the older images from when she was going under the name of Fairy Ink. Obviously a little steampunk girl. This one again, the image is from the Whimsical Art Witch. It's obviously Alice in Wonderland, and on this one I've got a diamond stencil in the background, and I've also just given that a cut edge with the diamonds at the top. The images are all coloured with Copic markers, and this is Peach Flamingo, I think it's called, Distress Oxide. And then finally I've got this poodle skirt lady. So this is shaded lilac in the background, Distress Oxide, and the black soot Distress Oxide through a Debbie Moore poodle stencil. And again, Fairy Ink image, or the Whimsical Art Witch, and just coloured her again with my Copics, and I've also added some black glaze over the poodle on her skirt, plus the bottom of her shoes and her eyes. I've also done that on her shoes and the Alice band that she's wearing, and I've done it again on the choker that she's wearing around her neck, and her eyes, and then the edges of the goggles, just to make it pop a bit, and again on those diamonds at the top. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave me a thumbs up and a comment, and until next time, cheerio.